That's the mockingbird. We got a wren over there and a woodpecker on the tree behind him. This guy's always the bravest. There's a little chipmunk behind the fireplace. He'll get up the nerve to come here in a second. Yeah, there went the wren. Basically right there at my feet. Over there. Seems like every time I turn the camera on, everyone disappears. But the canopy back here is really beautiful. I mean, the dirt not so much, but the open canopy. Well, there's one of our little squirrel buddies. About 5 of those that run around here all the time, chasing each other. He wants to get at that bird feeder, but he can't reach it. We'll see if he's got the nerves to come over here. Usually not. Let's see, there's a little chipmunk in the tree over there. Well, there goes another one. It's like a little animal sanctuary back here. There we go, with a really cool looking finch, that's what it is. I guess he's calling his buddies. Yep, there went another one. He'll be on there in a sec. My aim's not too killer. Okay, oops. There's the woodpecker. There goes a crow. Scared the woodpecker off. There's the little chipmunk over in the trees over there. See him running down. The woodpecker's back with the finch. Seems to always be the same woodpecker. I think we've only got one of them. Oh, there's the little chipmunk right there. Oop, there he comes. I mean, just brave. His cheeks will get really fat and then he'll haul butt. There he goes. Doing, 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 doing. Meow. He's got a little hangout over there somewhere. There he goes. A couple of, well, there's another one over there. He comes popping up out of the ground over there about where we keep our trash cans. Boing, he's back. The squirrels don't usually get the nerve to come up this close ever so often, but they're real skittish. This little guy's super brave. Because, I mean, there's my leg. I mean, he's right there. Oh, there's a mama cardinal. Oh, there he goes. Boing, 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 boing. Yeah. They've got tunnels all around back here. He'll go down over there and usually pop up back by that greenery you see growing up right there. I need to burn some damn brush. There's been so many storms lately, and man, it just shit falls everywhere. Oh, there he is, another one. He'll be hopping around in a sec. I don't know what he's looking at. Oh, the other guy's over here munching on the tree, eating all the food that he just came to get. He's just standing there like a statue. Well, the other guy's still just standing there too, over there. Well, that wasn't very good aim. I need to put up my water hose. So there's 1, 2, 3, there's 4 chipmunks out right now. Some of them just sit there like that. It's like they're scouting, I guess. And you put that big pile of food down like that, it's a total temptation for all of them. And if you sit here long enough, they get frustrated enough where they're finally just like, oh, the hell with it, I'm going to try. The rest of them know good and well I'm going to go in sooner or later. Here's a little finch. Got to make the sound effects. So you can hear him chirping back there. Let's see, we got one right over there on the concrete slab. He's chilling there. There's another one chilling right over there in the grass. And they're all just kind of hanging in their spots. There's a 4th one over here in the brush somewhere. Somebody will come running out in a sec. Oh, there we go. Mockingbird's back. He can copy all the sounds of these birds back here. He'll sit up in the trees sometimes and you'll think a whole slew of birds are out here, and it's just him mocking everyone else. Look at that cardinal. Looks like it's a really brilliant colored. Hello, chipmunks talking. And all three of them are still just sitting there. Y'all might as well come on. I'm not going anywhere. Be cool to know what they're saying. There he is. Sorry about my shaky hands. There's one. There's the cardinal. See, there's him over there just chilling. Uh-oh, the other little guy's gone. Nope, he just popped up out of the ground again. They're all just waiting for me to go inside so they can get to the food. It's crazy that we have this much like backyard and woods in the middle of the city like this. Here we go. There's a mama robin. Let's widen the shot back out. Oops. Oh, now they're hanging out over there. No, wait, that's a bird sitting next to the chipmunk. Looks like maybe whoa, there went somebody. Looks like it could be a thrasher. Oh, here he comes. Looks like, yeah, let me check around the tree. Coast is clear. Dude's apparently not leaving. So far, he's the only one that's been brave enough to come up. Well, that sounded cool. Ching. Focus isn't going too well. Yeah, that looks like a thrasher. Don't get to see many of those. Now, there comes the little fella again. Dong, dong, dong. Have to get him some flea medicine. That's a pretty good sized chipmunk, actually. Definitely shows how much we put into looks, since we look at him standing up on his back legs checking shit out. We think chipmunks are so cute, yet if that was a rat running across my backyard, I'd be looking for the rat poison. I'll come out to the right over there and head out of the shed. The other one's still messing around in the brush back there. A robin and a cardinal over there. And a little chipmunk guy. Whoa. Trying to figure out how to make the camera go back unzoomed without dropping the friggin' camera. It's almost scared him off. He didn't like that zoom at all. Damn. He'll come back though. I think that must be a mom, like getting food for her babies over there, since she's always the one brave enough to come. Anyway, this is what it's like to chill in my backyard. Oh, there's another little guy right there on the tire. He'll chill right there too for a while. See if we can zoom on him. I think I'm at full zoom.